How to remove subtitles from a video on CapCut. So if you want to remove subtitles from a video on CapCut, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your CapCut application. After that, select your project. Once you've selected your project, in my case I have AI captions. So if you have these kind of captions and if you want to remove these captions or subtitles on your CapCut, then what you need to do is just simply select the subtitle and then go with delete, which is on the right side, bottom right side, and the subtitle will be deleted. In the same way, you can go with the other one and delete it. But if you want to delete all of those subtitles at once, then you just need you can select all of it and then remove. Or if you want to edit the captions, then you can just simply select the caption and then go with edit caption, which is on the bottom, and here you will have all of those captions. You can select the first one, go with delete, which will be on the right side, or just go with select, which is on the bottom left, and select all of these and delete every caption at once. So that's how you can remove subtitles or captions from a video on CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.